Focus. Okay, go ahead.
I think Gorky sir's made me who I am in terms of the confidence. The character Arjun, he's explained me to well. He's shot the first episode, so he got me a lot of things, a lot of nuisances, lot of stuff inside my head. He's taught me a lot of things. Second director that I worked with, well, I just can't say anything about him, sir. I don't know why. Second is Lucy sir. I think that was the revolutionary stage of my acting career, which is very small at the time. But he came in the second episode, and the only thing that he always used to tell me is he never used to tell me the SLA line, SLA line. The only thing he always used to pounce on and say that you are Arjun. You know, whatever you do is what Arjun does. So he actually made me believe that Arjun is believable, Arjun is doable, and I can do Arjun. I used to be sitting, he used to say, this is how Arjun will sit. Because I used to be very conscious of the camera, not because I was scared of the camera, because I used to be very conscious, I have to do good, I have to do good. And in the end, I used to mess it up. So if you see the second, third and the fourth episode, it was a gradual improvement from the second to the third and third to the fourth, but it was a major improvement from the first to the second. It's what Gorky sir also said. It's like I've seen so many actors in my life. But with one episode, the wonders you've done, it is unbelievable. And fourth episode, I still remember there was a scene in which I shouted Riya in the end and I say ki aakhri baar bol raha hu, and that was on the 11th of August 2012. That was the launch of it. And we had to watch it at 8 o'clock, all of us. So it was a launch party. 7:30, and he's like, you have to do this. You want some bliss because I want your eyes red. And any guy would have just given it and said yes. Okay, I'll do it. I said, sir, मेरे को 10 मिनट चाहिए और शांति चाहिए. 10 मिनट बाद. She's like, ठीक है. 10 minutes I thought of all the worst moments in my life. The moments which have let me down, which have made me helpless. And I came full of rage. When I came onto the set, there was a pin drop silence. And he changed his shot. He's like, I was taking her clothes, now I'll take your clothes. I don't want that intensity to go, just keep it on. And I went on with it. And the best compliment that an actor can get by a co-star is that Sana had to look into my eyes. She cried. She didn't take any glycerine. She didn't do anything. She just cried. She's like, you look like a devil right now. And I said that line, and as soon as I said that dialogue, he came up to me and he hugged me and he said, my work's over. I had to make Arjun. I had to make Arjun who Arjun is, and I made him. What you've done today is all that you have to do. Believe in it. And then he went off. I think he didn't do the next episode. Then we had Noel. Noel's the love of our lives. I think if he would have been a girl, I would have actually hit on him. Is he a guy?
Hello.
Noel, don't watch it, please. But yeah, Noel's... he's a superb director. Very, very stylized. He's got his own thought process. And he is one of those who understood the character real well. He made me settle into the character because I was almost on the budding stage. Then came the growth stage when Noel was there to help me out. Of course, Gorky sir has always been there with every director at the monitor. So Noel's helped me out. Noel's calmed me down. Taught me a lot of things. So Noel's been superb experience for me. I think he's one of the most talented directors. Then came Randeep. When I looked at him, I actually thought that he's a strict man. Because he looks like a retired colonel. Bolu, bolu, chapi. And he was very stern when he first went, hi, next director. मेरी तो फट मैंने कहा अरे तो गया. And then we happened to work with him, and he's a super cute guy. I mean, he's around. There's no one on the set who would have felt when there's a light mode. There's no light mode. So I think these directors have been in and out with us. Then there's Vignesh. He was the second unit director. He's the second unit director with us. And I think he has contributed equally, if not less, than what any other director has done. Start from Gorky sir to if I give a shot, I would look up to him and he'll say, and I'll say, sir, recall it. He's like, why? I'm like, no, sir, recall it. And then he's like, ठीक है, अभी के लिए. So that is how I've grown. I've always asked the cameraman, Sir, ye theek hai. I've always asked the director, ye theek hai. And that is in me because I always want to keep improving. So I think these directors, when they've been Suraj ji, Suraj sir, they've been Jignesh ji, Rajesh Ranchingge, Ashish Patil,
Arif.
Vinod ji, Arif. All of them have got so many things which are so different from each other. It's only said that a director directs.
Arshad, Aman.
Arshad.
I have seen all these
For
guys.
that matter. But every director has so much to give you. It's only you who has to take it. And they all have got a different style of shooting.
Yeah.
Some will take only 2 lines in the wide. Some will take the whole wide. So you have to be constantly on your toes. Actually, yaar, ye wala director kya karega? So you constantly keep on doing that. So I think yeah, it's been a director's show to make Shaleen as a been very very helpful.
Wow. You've touched base on just about everything? Or have you missed out on anything?
No, I don't think so.
We did spot, we did light, we did makeup, we did action, we did directors, creators.
I think the most difficult job of any person on the set is the light job.
Yeah.
They will come.
Especially on this show.
They will come 1 hour before. They will go 1 hour and a half hours after you because they have to pack things, unload, then load again.
Load.
1 hour. What they do, I don't think.
Just the way they lift the light itself.
I think it is impossible for a human to do what they do.
The Tarafa guys are तो even
अपने अर्जुन में इतना तराफा तो कुछ
नहीं काम नहीं था लेकिन
but they're brilliant. They're so fast and they're so supportive and they're so good. Then comes the setting department. I think every day we have a different set. Every day, and it is very difficult for them to get that thing done. They do it marvelously. They're brilliant. So that comes for the unit.
And the creative.
Creative, I just said.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought you didn't.
There's one confused idiot on the set called Cute.
He doesn't know whether it's production or creative?
First he was in production, then he was in creative, then he again scheduled something for today. I don't know what he does, but I think he's also a super friend that I made on the set.
Yeah. And here we had that boom singing, whatever it's called.
Beatboxing.
Beatboxing, sorry.
He's very talented, though I hate to say that, but yeah.
Yeah, and we did bring him with you, and I'm sure people loved it because
Because he's got a talent, yeah.
He's got a talent.
Takes out different voices from his throat, mouth, I don't know from where.
epiglottis, wherever.
Big deal.
Yeah, how big deal. Arjun बन के दिखा.
It's to each to his own.
फिर भी हर युग में आएगा एक अर्जुन.
हाँ,
ये अब
मतलब ये
एक
तो-
युग खत्म हो रहा है.
ये तो कलयुग तो खत्म हो गया. I hope that I've done justice to the character, and I've made people believe that a man like this can exist and does exist.
सही.
He's a superhero without a supernatural power. I don't know. I just hate to say goodbye.
We needn't. We'll see you again.
Yeah, of course. But Arjun will always be very close. Very, very. I don't know. He'll never get over this character. It's been with me throughout this whole 2.5 years. I don't know. I think a show like this for a man can never be made again.
Very true.
Though this should have continued and would have continued for a long time. This could have or this couldn't have. It's a different story, but whatever's happened has happened. What is important not to come and go. What is important is the time you were there, people cherish it. And when you've gone, people remember. So if you've left your mark, not on the sand on the beach, but on the hearts of people, it will never be lost. I'm hopeful that I've done that. Probably, but you'll see a lot of more interviews coming because we're going to be together for the next 4 days.
Absolutely.
The last 4 days of the shoot of the
Absolutely.
show.
I'll bring in as much as I can possibly for Forum 32 followers and followers of Shaleen and
It's going
Arjun.
to be a very emotional day. I think 3 days from now,
Right?
where there's going to be a lot of village shit way to be, a lot of smiles, a lot of hugs,
Right.
a lot of love in the air,
Right.
a lot of disappointment. But that's the way it is. You start off with something, there's an end. So manufacturing date, the expiry date comes around.
Comes with it. अब तो हमने देखा है फ्रॉम द एक्सपायरी डेट, आज का ही एक जोक है कि पहले प्रोडक्ट्स पे आती थी एक्सपायरी डेट, अब तो नोटों पे भी आने लगी है.
हाँ, मतलब so yeah, but I think it's just the start for me, and the start's been tremendous. I've been rocket launched into space. Now there are other planets too. It's what you always say. You step onto a new world and you look forward for the other. So when I had nothing to do in my life.
अब ये बोलिए.
So when I had nothing to do in my life, I had no work. I wanted to do anything and everything. Hey, silence! When you had nothing to do, you wanted to do anything and everything that comes your way. And then Arjun came my way. I couldn't have ever imagined that I'll do a show like this. When I did it, it's up me by a level. Now when I'm on this level, I look forward for the other one. I think that's the human greed part.
Absolutely. The only way is up.
But the only way is up, because I've already seen the downfalls. The other thing is that I've always believed is that I don't want to stop, because I believe when I stop, will be right in the end of my life. I don't want to stop. I just constantly want to go ahead. So that's the kind of person I am. So let's see where life takes me.
Let's see. We'll see you soon.
Yeah.
We'll be
The
there.
next 4 days, we'll be together.
And beyond that.
Yeah, but at least for the show,
Show, yeah, next 4 days.
next 4 days we're definitely together.
We'll cover it every day.
We'll also get an interview with Gorky.
Gorky sir. Inshallah. Right.
But